blue well. A little plastic piece. Doesn't make any sense. But take out that plastic piece from there. But really thinking about it, the cooler intake I have, I don't want it to become more susceptible to water in any type of way. But yeah. That's one of the things I was actually thinking about doing, debating if I wanted to do it or not. I don't know, I just love the sound of that. Excuse the neck, because I actually found it. I got it from Hawaii a while back, and I totally forgot I had it, so I just wanted to wear it and put it on. But anyway, let's go ahead and make it wait. Let's just go ahead and lose myself the clutch and not realizing that it's already in gear. Into one parking lot thinking it's going to go around, but apparently I need to get back out on the road and come back into the parking lot because there's no way to get to it. Oh, I can hear that. That sucks. It always does. You have arrived to your destination. Finally got my, what's it, coffee, high protein or something like that, shake. Anyways, alright, so hopefully I'll get these put on my car soon. I bought these off of somebody off Facebook. Not bad. So, as I know, I have my ISR down pipes, my test pipes, my Y pipe, and then I have like an X pipe that I bought off of Amazon, good quality. And the rest from there is took it to the shop. I pretty much took it to the shop to get it, the rest exhaust put on. So it's like those pipes there, but for the back half, I want to go ahead and get these good boys on there. And pretty much it. I want to kind of get my own different type of sound I'm looking for in the Z. I know people look for like less rasp and all that stuff. My car has a slight rasp to it, but it doesn't bother me as much because I still like the overall sound of it. I'm just gonna tone it down a little bit. But yeah, alright, I'm getting ready to make my way to the finish and get ready to head up to the gas station and get some stuff. I get the garage opener from my wife's car. We're back. I always put this stuff up because it gets hot in my car before I even leave or go anywhere. And I am going to go get gas too while I'm out. Also with my kombucha. Freaking love that stuff. I know it's like $4 a bottle each time I go buy the damn bottle, but stuff is really good. Pretty much didn't do anything besides just go up there and do what I need to do and come back home, and this weekend's not. And I do need to get the stuff in the back of my car, and it's been sitting there. I need to wash my towels so I can wash my car again because it just rained the other day and my car's back to being dirty. Oh, so as I said earlier in the video, sorry if I'm repeating myself, which would be this thing right here, or I might make a little like a little vent right here to kind of get the air flowing right through all the way. Damn, that's just beautiful. But yeah, you can still see when the dealership coated this blue, They left a little piece up around this area, but oh well. It still looks good from a distance. Nobody's like trying to look in that close. Tires are dirty. Oh, it's ridiculous. Alright, let's put this back up there.
Like it's a motherfucking Sunday, and you cruising down Crenshaw in a motherfucking 6-4. Like it's the worst. Feel the shit. Stuff fast around. Losing the fuck up there, yo.
That explains what they were doing earlier. They had this whole area like blocked off, and yes, some beautiful gas. So they updated the whole thing. Alright everybody, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the like button again. And also, sorry it's got a little bit dark. I can get ready to get in my car and go in. But other than that, I hope y'all enjoyed the rest of your day today. Thank you for watching again. And hopefully I'm getting myself really back in tune to do it Tuesdays and Thursdays. I'm really working hard to doing it and doing a little bit better. Peace.